Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial, but this isn't really a Minecraft tutorial or anything. It's basically just because a few weeks ago my headset started messing up, and it was with the cord. It wasn't really with the headset itself. So I just want to show you how to fix this, just in case it ever breaks or anything. But I don't really use these that much. I just use these when I can't find my P11s, which are like one of the best turtle beaches. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? Most people... Okay. Wait 1 second. I can't see it. Can't see it. Can't see it right now. Okay. Most people don't plug this in. Sometimes they use like an extension cable to... There's like a lot of feedback when they record with this, so they put an extension cable to lower the feedback when you use a USB cable. And yeah, I recommend doing that because that's what I always use, but there's like a lot of cords on my setup. And we got the headphone jack, which you basically need if you want to hear anything, because if you have a 1-jack computer and you just use this, you won't be able to hear anything from your computer. You'll just be able to hear nothing at all. So I recommend getting a splitter, which and plug these two into that splitter and plug the one cable in to your 1-jack computer. So yeah, most people think you go to the sounds and settings place, but the thing was, this was actually pulled out a lot. So the way I fixed that was I pushed the cable in a bit. I pushed it in because when it gets too out, the cable has really loose wires. So this really helped me because it would just look a lot of static when these, which is basically the thing I should have told you first why this was messing up. It was basically just a ton of static, which I didn't really like. So yeah, you just push it in. That's it. I don't know if I first discovered this, but anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'm kidding. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay guys, before I leave, there's actually one more way I want to show you, and I'm gonna be really quick. You gotta click on this, go right here, go to levels, balance, make sure it's all the way down. You won't have anything. If I compared it, I would go all the way up here, and it would have a lot of feedback to me, but it wouldn't have any feedback to you. Well, if you had this all the way up, it would have a lot of feedback on the sound, so I'm just gonna keep this all the way down. So yeah, just keep that all the way down. And you can compare it yourself by listening to music with it all the way up and all the way down. So just compare it. And anyway guys, yeah. Well, I gotta go. I'm tired. Bye.